No good. What's good, guys? Hey, today we're gonna be eating some black preserved eggs, or you could say century eggs. Never had this before. Had balutes and all the other type of eggs before, but this one never ate before. So let's check it out. Comes in a cool little package, all wrapped up individually. Open this up. Hopefully I don't cut myself. There we go. Kind of smells a little weird. Looks like a dinosaur egg. Look at it. Has some black dots on it. All right, let's crack it open. Black egg. It looks like a snowflake inside of it, or some kind of leaf. That's pretty cool. It really has like a chemical taste, smell to it. This is gonna be weird. Maybe I should tell my kids to come eat it too. Let's see here. And before that, let me show you what the egg looks like inside. It looks like it's like mold inside of it. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna have my kids and wife come eat it with me. Babe, kids, come eat. Dinner time. Let's go. Come on. Mila, too short.
I need to get my step stool.
Alright, you guys ready for this?
Ew.
You ready, Tila? You eat this one this time.
No.
It looks like an organ.
I'm gonna cut it.
It looks
Cut
like
it in half.
Daddy's.
Looks like pixels.
Oh, wow.
Ew.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
Can you eat it?
Dad,
you first.
Oh my God. Smell it. No, smell it.
No.
You can't abuse us with.
Okay, alright. Oh my God, I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared to eat this.
It has a hair.
You have purple hair.
Ew.
Hey, someone hold it.
No.
Hold it, Mom.
No.
Come on.
No.
Both of us at the same
Stop.
time.
Don't talk to me.
No.
Oh man. Ready?
It's Jello, your favorite.
I'm kind of scared to eat it.
Don't talk to
Your
me.
fault.
Okay.
Like, oh, totally.
Oh my God. Oh. That's, oh my God, it tastes so bad. Oh man, it tastes like watching a lot of eggs. Oh Jesus Christ. Aftertaste too. Here, come here, Tila.
Who's this?
No good.
Stinky.
Oh my, turn it off.